In this video, we'll show you what to do if the microphone is not working on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So the first thing you need to do is remove your Samsung Galaxy phone's case. It's possible that the case you are using is accidentally blocking the microphone. So make sure to remove it first. Then you should check the microphone itself, which is usually located at the bottom, and make sure it's not dirty or filled by any dirt or dust. If it is, make sure to clean it. Finally, you should restart your Samsung Galaxy phone so that any software glitches are fixed automatically. However, if this doesn't work, go to the settings app. Now tap on connections. Now in here, turn off Bluetooth. So what this will do is disconnect your Samsung Galaxy phone from any Bluetooth headsets or headphones. So make sure to do this first. Next, go back to the previous menu, scroll down, and then tap on security and privacy. Now here you will need to scroll down and then tap on control and alerts. Now here make sure that the microphone access is enabled from here. Finally, locate the app in which you are trying to use the microphone. Long press on it and then tap this info icon. Now here go to permissions. Now here make sure the microphone permission is allowed. So simply tap on microphone and then select allow only while using the app. However, if nothing else works and if you can't seem to use the microphone in any of your apps, what you can do is open the phone app and then dial this code, which is *#0*#. So this will open this menu. Here you will need to tap on this loopback option. In this menu you will see 3 microphones. The first one is for the calls and the other 2 are for the cameras. So select the first microphone and then try to say something. Your Samsung Galaxy phone will repeat what you have just said through the earpiece, which is at the top. Similarly, you can also test the second and third microphone. For these microphones, your Samsung Galaxy phone will repeat anything you say through the speaker. If the microphones don't work in this menu as well, it's likely they are damaged in some way. In that case, you'll need to visit a service center and get your phone checked. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.